Hello guys, it's AppWiz today. I'm going to show you how to turn off two-factor authentication in Roblox. So we're going to start just by opening up the Roblox application. And you could do this on both a computer and a mobile device. And once you're logged into Roblox, just click on the More button in the bottom right-hand side. Scroll down this list and click on Settings. Click on Security. Then scroll down to the authentication method that you have set up. So on my account, I have email turned on for two-factor authentication. So all I'm going to do is toggle this option off like so, and then press Confirm. Now, in order to disable this, you'll need to enter the 6-digit code that will have been emailed to your registered account. So I'm just going to open up my email and go and copy this 6-digit code. We can then open back up the Roblox application and go and paste in the code to this field and press Verify. And just like that, we've now turned off the two-factor authentication for a Roblox account. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.